National Road to the Sun ng President from SM Grupa. Okay, marami silang ino-offer na special services such as band rehearsals, live recording, music lessons, and mobile sound system methods as well. Okay, they can range in the mobile sound system. Okay, then contact them at telephone numbers 519-3366 or 0932-669-0379. And look for Ariel or Dave, or Ariel, or Boyet, or Ariel, or Dave.
Ayan. So sila po ang inyong makakausap kung kayo po ay pupunta sa audio bahay. At syempre, hindi ko pa malilimutan si Nito John Mariano. Ayan. Siya po ang accountable advocate and motorist ko sa Light and Sound System. So habang nagpe-prepare, pinasasalamatan po muli silang lahat para sa mga ang event na ito. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Please!
Itulas natin yung mga members na were alive. Starting from rhythm section. After this, we'll be having the band MSC something. So, stand by guys.
Kung kami na po ang tutugtog, sana po
Ayun ba?
ang tutugtog ninyo. Kala ko pala ako.
Okay, we'd like to introduce our band, Real Life, ladies and gentlemen. On guitar, we have Ariel. Yan po yung natin sa audio vibe.
Yeah, medyo may katumahan natin.
Kung natatandaan niyo yung bandang freestyle, yung original na singer na lalaki nila.
Freestyle, kita! Kita!
May tanong po. Alright, on bass. We have Boyet, our very own Boyet. Boyet, kahukong on bass. Sometimes bass, sometimes not, sometimes guitar. And B on drums. And vocals, ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome Joe Bayou Chance Pop.